Hi guys, welcome back to Stacking Stocks as we get into the details of Tesla's semi-truck factory. The Tesla Semi and Cybertruck have constantly been off the books for a long time due to many postponements by the company. Stay tuned as we finally have some updates on the semi-truck production. But before we hit the ground running, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate the support always. Now, how many all-electric semis will Tesla produce in 2022 and beyond? There are still few details when it comes to two of Tesla's most sought-after projects, and they're both trucks. Tesla plans to officially launch its Semi and Cybertruck next year. While the Cybertruck will be manufactured at Tesla's new factory in Texas, the Semi will be produced near the company's original Gigafactory in Nevada. In 2020, Tesla acquired a building in a Nevada industrial park. The facility is reportedly over 500,000 square feet. Reliable sources have confirmed that it's the location of an upcoming low-volume Tesla semi-production line. The building is located at 550 Milan Drive, Sparks, Nevada. It's adjacent to a Tesla-owned warehouse. According to sources with information about the matter, Tesla is currently building the Tesla semi-production line in a building in Nevada. The sources say the plan is to manufacture 5 Tesla semi-trucks per week. While that may not seem like much, it could end up being more than some folks anticipated. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has made some recent Twitter comments related to the Semi. More specifically, he talked about the project being battery constrained, which comes as no surprise as that's become the case with many EVs. However, now we have a better idea of how many semis Tesla plans to build, at least initially. Eventually, Tesla will move to higher volume semi-production at its new factory in Austin, Texas. Often referred to as Giga Austin. However, Tesla will have to ramp up battery production in Texas first. Well, we still haven't explained what the Tesla Semi will feature, so be sure to keep watching as we provide more details. Now Tesla Semi is a battery-powered, all-electric Class 8 semi-truck in development by Tesla. In November 2017, 2 concept cars were revealed, with manufacturing set to begin in 2023. The truck would have a range of 500 miles on a full charge, and with its upgraded batteries, it would be able to travel for 400 miles after an 80% charge in 30 minutes using a solar-powered Tesla Megacharger charging station. Elon Musk stated that the Semi will come standard with Tesla Autopilot, which allows for semi-autonomous highway driving. At the November 2017 press conference, Musk also stated that the company would be involved in installing a global network of megachargers that would be solar-powered and would be able to recharge a truck's batteries in 30 minutes to a capacity to travel 400 miles or 640 kilometers. So, the Tesla 2016 master plan was the first to discuss the Semi. Tesla said at the time that they had a functioning prototype that used a bunch of Model 3 electric motors. Jerome Gillian had been in charge of the Tesla Semi development since April 2017. Gillian was previously in charge of Freightliner's Cascadia diesel engine Class 8 Semi before joining Tesla to configure the Model S production line. He left the Semi program a year later to lead one of the Model 3 General Assembly lines, and in September 2018, he was named Tesla President of Automotive. Gigafactory Texas, also known as Tesla Gigafactory 5 or Giga Texas, is a factory outside Austin, Texas that has been under construction by Tesla since July 2020. Tesla planned to start mass manufacturing by the end of 2021 and reach full capacity in 2022. However, due to many constraints, including supply chain issues, Tesla had to reschedule the plan. During 2019 and 2020, Tesla was evaluating locations in 8 states across the central United States. Several community organizations and government authorities in the United States indicated an interest in hosting the Tesla Gigafactory. Some had shown interest in making land acquisitions easier, overcoming regulatory barriers, and contemplating tax incentives. Some utilized social media marketing to personally contact Elon Musk. Tesla was in the midst of a selection process by May 2020. Austin and Tulsa were on the short list. By the middle of May, Tesla had visited 2 places in the Tulsa area. It was in July 2020 Tesla selected Austin as the site. The plant will be in the primary production facility for the Tesla Cybertruck and Tesla Semi for the eastern United States. It will also make Model 3 and Model Y automobiles. Tesla released 4 photographs of the vast automobile plant it's building just east of Austin on July 26, 2021, in conjunction with the publication of its second quarter financial results. The images depict the inside and outside of the so-called Gigafactory Texas, as well as an overhead view of the building site with dozens of employees. The factory's construction began in July of last year and looks to be approaching completion. Tesla's plans for 280 acres of the 2,100-acre site it acquired for $97 million in July last year were first detailed in a report to the Texas state government. A vast oblong manufacturing structure immediately east of Texas Highway 130, spanning from near the Colorado River north to approximately Harold Green Road, was part of the proposal filed. The facility's footprint, including parking lots, is 7.9 million square feet, or the equivalent of 138 football fields. It's still unknown what Tesla will do with the site's remaining 1,800 acres since neither Tesla spokespeople nor Musk himself has addressed the issue. Tesla was expected to do a large amount of extra work at the site, according to Wedbush securities analyst Daniel Ives, but he cautioned that the business has a reputation for keeping its intentions close to the vest. He was right, because based on certain reports, it seems as if the extra space was kept for free-range testing of their large semi-trucks. Tesla will also require a test driving facility, according to Ives. Beyond the initial 280 acres he noted, there is a lot more timber to chop ahead in terms of development. Meanwhile, the site plan filed with the city does not appear to depict any of the public facilities that Tesla CEO Elon Musk touted when announcing intentions to build the plant there in July 2021. So those may be shown in later phases. It is basically going to be an ecological paradise with birds in the trees, butterflies, fish in the stream, and it will be open to the public as well, so not closed and only open to Tesla. That's how Musk described the said public facilities. Travis County and the Del Valle School District aided in the attraction of the business by providing tax credits worth a minimum of $60 million. The state did not provide any financial incentives to the corporation for the construction of the facility, which is planned to employ 5,000 people. With all that about the factory known, let's consider what we know about the Tesla semi-truck itself a little bit. In the previous several years, Tesla claims to have achieved substantial advancements in battery technology. This, too, will aid in raising the Tesla Semi's cargo capacity. The electric vehicle company claims that its 4680 battery cells are far more advanced than those used in 2017. These battery cells are small and light, but they pack a punch in terms of energy density. As a result, the new 4680 battery pack reduces the electric vehicle's weight, allowing it to carry more cargo. It also provides more range on a single charge. According to the Tesla Impact Report 2020, the semi-truck should be able to travel over 804 kilometers on a single charge. It further boasts that because of its aerodynamics and strong electric engine, the Tesla semi-truck will be able to achieve an efficiency of more than 0.8 kilometers per kilowatt hour. We should take a step back and carefully consider the fact that Tesla is betting rather big on a factory mainly to produce an electric truck, a type of vehicle with unproven market viability. $2.4 billion on a factory of such scale by such a new entrant to the automobile industry? It's unheard of. Nonetheless, the future for the Semi looks bright, and we can clearly see why Tesla saw merit in the program. Allowing the vital trucking industry to go zero emissions will be seen as a massive technological feat, alongside a victory for environmental activists who will look upon Tesla more favorably. What do you think about this? Let us know via the comments section. We appreciate your time, stay safe, and see you next time.